Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So friends, we will be dealing with the topic called probability. So if you are seeing this video, my kind suggestion is please see my part 1 video on probability, that is coins. Okay, there you will see the basics of probability. Okay, so this is the continuation video. So in this video we will be dealing with concept of dice. Okay, so I'll tell you the concept of dice in detail and we'll be solving some more questions. Okay, so let's see what is those. So friends, so the probability formula is nothing but sum of observations by possibility, right? So first we'll be dealing with possibility first. Okay, see here we have a dice. Okay, so a dice will be having 6 faces, right? It will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, when a dice is thrown, we'll be seeing these type of numbers on it, right? So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so these are the faces. Next, here we have 2 dice. Okay, we need to find the possibility first. Okay, see, if here we have dice, a dice contains 6 faces, right? So 6 into number of dice. See, if there is 2 dice, the possibility will be 6 square equals to 6 into 6 equals to 36. Will be the possibility. If we have 3 dice, it will be 6 cube. Okay. If we have 4, it will be 6 power 4. If we have n, it will be 6 power n. Okay. So this will be the possibility for the number of dice given. Okay. So we'll see the question first. So see, in a throw of 2 dice, find the probability of getting a total of 6. The sum need to be 6 when 2 dice are given. Okay, see here, this is the possibility of getting the sequence. Okay, see here, if 2 dice are thrown, the combination will be either it be 1 or 1, it will be 1 or 2, it will be 1 or 3, 1 or 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6. Okay, sequence which we will get. Okay, from these sequence we need to know the total of 6 for which combination we will be getting. Okay, see here, first chance 1 and 1 is there, 1 and 2. So this is a sequence, friends. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Similarly 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6 and so on. Okay, so the possibility is 36. Probability equals to sum of observations by possibility, right? So the possibility for 2 dice is 6 in the base and number of dice is 2, right? So as in the given question we have 2. So 6 square, 6 into 6 equals to 36. The probability of 36. We need to find sum of observations, right? So the observation is 6. When we add these two, the total need to be 6. Okay, so let's see. So 1 and 1, the total will be 2. 1 plus 2, the sum will be 3. 1 plus 3, the sum will be 4. Okay, we need to have the total of 6. See, 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is one combination. Next, 2 1 is 3. 2 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6, right? So this will be 1. Okay, next, 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. So these are not the combinations. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. Right? So 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. So it's not qualified. Next, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. So other combinations we won't be getting a total of 6. Okay. Next, 5 plus 1 is 6, right? So 5 plus 1 is 6. Next, 5 2, it won't be the combination. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I think that's it, friend. Okay, we'll get a total of 6 for this 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so the sum of observations is 5. The sum of observation equals to 5 by the possibility is 36, right? As we have 2 dice, so the possibility is 36. So the probability of getting total of 6 is 5 by 36 for 2 dice. Okay, we'll see another question. Yes friends, this is the second question. In a throw of 2 dice, find the probability of getting a total of 2 or 5. Okay, here we need to find the sum when 2 dice are rolled is 2 or 5. Okay, it need to be 2, and we'll see afterwards the sum as 5. Okay, as we know, the possibility for 2 dice is 6 square, that is 36. We got the possibility. Fine, we need to find number of observations, right? So see, first we'll be seeing the sum is 2, and after that we'll be seeing the sum as 5. Okay, so let's see. 2 sum, right? So see, 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So this will be a good combination. Next, 1 2 1 3 1 4. No, these are not qualified. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this will be not the combination. Only 1 and 1 will be the combination for getting a sum of 2, right? Next, 5, right? We need to get a sum of 5 when 2 dice are added. Okay, see, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is a combination. 1 plus 4. Next, 1 plus 5 and 1 plus 6 are the high. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is a combination. 2 plus 5. After that we'll get high value, right? Next, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So this will be the combination. Okay, next, 4 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, right? So that's it. Next, we won't be getting any of the sum as 5. Okay, so let's see what are some of observations we got. 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? We got 5 observations. So the probability will be 5 by 36. Okay, so the probability of getting sum of 2 or 5 is 5 by 36. Okay, hope you guys understood this. We'll see one more question. Yes friends, see, in a throw of 2 dice, find the probability of getting a total of 12. We need to find the total as 12 when we throw 2 dice, right? See, 1 and 1, 1 and 2. So we need to get a total of 12, right? So let's see. So 6 and 6, the total will be 12. Okay, so we won't be seeing any other combination when we add 2 dice. Okay, so 6 and 6 will be only one combination we have. Okay, so the sum of observations is 1 by, as we said in the previous question, the possibility when 2 dice are thrown is 36, right? So 1 by 36 will be the probability. This is one of the important question for all the IT related exams. Okay, see, in a throw of 2 dice, find the probability of getting a doublet. Okay, see, the doublet is nothing but when 2 dice are rolled, we need to get the same number on both of the dice. Okay, see, if we throw 2 dice, it will be 1, and the second dice need to be having 1. So then they are said to be have a doublet. Okay, if 3 dice are thrown, if we get triplet, then the same number of numbers should be there on the dice. Okay, so that is the meaning of doublet or triplet. So as I said, the doublet is nothing but we need to get same number on both the dice, right? So let's see, we have 1 and 1, right? So 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6. Okay, so 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 5, 5 and 5, 6 and 6 are the doublets when we throw 2 dice. Okay, see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So as we know, the possibility equals to sum of observations by possibility, right? So Sum of observations is 6 by the possibility is 36, right? So 6 ones are 6 6. So the probability is 1 by 6 when getting a double it. Throw of 3 dice, find the probability of getting a 4. Okay, so friends, here we have given 3 dice, right? So first we need to know the possibility, right? So possibility equals to 6 into number of dice, right? Fine. So dice is 3 dice we have, so 6 cube. So 6 into 6 into 6, right? So the probability will be 36 into 6 will be 216. So we have 216 number of combinations when we throw 3 dice simultaneously. Okay, so we need to get a probability of getting 4 as the sum. Okay, so friends, if we have around 216 combinations, we can't write them on any paper, right? So it's waste of time. Simply we need to think of getting that. Okay, so let's see what is those. So the first combination will be 1 1 and 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so this is one of the combination, and next is 1 2 and 1. So this is the second combination. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, next 2 1 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so friends, these are the only 3 combinations we have. Okay, so 1 comma 2, 1 2 1, 2 1 1 will be the combination. Okay, so the probability equals to 1 2 3. Sum of observations is 3 by 216, right? So 216. So 3 by 216 is the probability. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6. So the probability is 1 by 72. Okay, hope you guys understood this. Yes friends, so that's it for the concept on dice. Please practice those. Okay, hope you guys understood this. Please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you friends.